Angad में what are the upcoming features that you are building?
So there are a lot of features और ये सारे features explore side पे आने वाले हैं अभिषेक. That means on the free side of things. अभी हमारे पास 4 features हैं जैसे मैंने आपको कहा था career library, the national campus connect, we have the video library and we have the updates and information through newsletters. आने वाले समय में we are building a chat box by the name of Ask Angad. You know, that is like the chat GPT of our world, the Angad world that we have created. Student can get whatever information that they want. ये जो हमारा डिस्कवरी साइड पे जो हमारा असेसमेंट जर्नी है हम उसको गेमिफाई करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं सो दैट एट द फ्रंट यू नो द कैंडिडेट इज लाइक पेइंग अ क्विज बेस्ड पजल और अ गेम बट बैक एंड के अंदर उसका असेसमेंट हो रहा है सो आई थिंक इट विल मेक इट मोर फन we are trying to come up with a feature that will talk about the various scholarships that are available for different programs different cities and states in India उन बच्चों के लिए जो स्कॉलरशिप फैसिलिटी यूज़ करना चाहते हैं वी आर कमिंग अप विद अ फीचर जहाँ पे हम यू नो मेंटर कनेक्शंस ऑफर करेंगे लोगों को यू नो देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी वांट टू डू विद एक्सप्लोर एंड एंश्योर दैट दिस इज वन प्लेटफॉर्म irrespective of where they are living, their financial condition, their language understanding, they should come and get all information about their career. Of course, remember beyond the obvious choices of what is already known in the spectrum of careers.
Correct. So आप अंगद को 5 साल बाद कहाँ देखते हैं?
I think it can be a product that is operational in multiple countries, only with that one little feature that is which we want to integrate. And I believe that almost every student from class 8 to class 12 should consider registering on this platform for free and exploring as much as they want to. So I see that a lot of students in India in that specific range, class 8 to class 12, coming to this platform, registering and seeking the right information for themselves.
So अगर हर बच्चा अंगद यूज करता है तो आपको क्या चेंज होता हुआ दिखेगा?
Informed choices, not taking choices for success, but taking the right path for by identifying oneself, strengths and weaknesses, and then choosing the right path. Better information, better career awareness, better outcome, I believe. So this is what should happen in the future, provided people start using this platform well.